I had to have a little fun with this rug. I started cleaning, I realized what a difference it was going to be. So I put the Granbury Carpet Cleaning GCC in there. We're going to clean that out. But just a little example of what we can do here. Obviously on the left it's still dirty, on the right it's clean. And here it is after the cleaning. Still got a little bit of detail work and some rinsing to do. And this rug will go on the dryer, and tomorrow it'll be ready to deliver. And here we go. This is the rug after rinsing. Maybe a few tiny little details to work with before it goes on the drying rack. That's coming up next. Just finished detailing the back of the rug and the fringe and extracting and rinsing. And there's the water that came out of it. That is dirty. Seen much worse, but this rug did not seem like it was going to be that bad. And here we are at the final stage. It is on the drying rack. We have dehumidifiers, plenty of air movement, got fans up here, and this thing should be ready to go tomorrow morning.